So we're down here in Catford on the Corbett estate. This is our tuck pointing project all completed now. So we just come here just to give it a last wash down. All the decoration and woodworks now all been decorated. So what we did on this project was brick cleaned all of the brickwork back to its natural colour, cut out and replaced all of the damaged bricks with matching imperial bricks. Then we've repointed all of the brickwork in a tuck pointing finish. So I'll give you a little close up of how that all looks. Complements brickwork really well. So as you can see, once again another perfect finish to the brickwork. Decorated all of the masonry, all of the window sills, all of the corbels, decorated all nice and squared up, painted all of the woodwork as well. Just show you upstairs, same again, all tuck pointed the whole way through. Like I say, this project looks absolutely fantastic. Lads have done an amazing job. All of the woodwork up on the gable, all been decorated. So like I say, we're just here now just to give what we always do on each job, a final wash down. So wipe all of the windows, give the scaffolding a good wash down before it's been struck. And scaffolders are booked in to take this down early next week. So I'll get some nice photographs of this project once all the scaffolding's finally down. So like I say, another job once again, finished to the highest standard as always. The detail on every single part of this job is absolutely faultless, crisp as always. Customers are really happy with the finish. All the front doors been decorated, all that stonework's all been rubbed down and filled, looks really good. So yeah, another happy customer and another job finished to the high standard once again. So if you do like the look of this project and you'd like a free quotation for any of our services that we're offering, please give us a call, get in contact, and we'd be more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries that you do have. Thank you very much.